Good morning everybody. This is the FibroSmart FS2004 V1. This is the main instrument, scanner unit, and this is the CPU and that is the monitor. And one more thing is the fiber sampler. First we switch on the instrument. Fiber sampler we kept in 3 portions, and only one thing we have to do is this is the interface cable for serial port. Connect the serial port of the CPU to the rear panel of the instrument. Okay, now instrument is ready for. We switch on this. Here one more switch. Now you can see the red LED rays here. These are the accessories we are providing with the instruments. These are the 2 brass combs for testing the fiber length, and this is used for the micronair, and this you can use it as cleaning the brush or the sample, and this is for combing. Now this is ready. The application. Now you yes, then the screen will come. Now initially you press the home position. You can see channel 1 and channel 2. Channel 1 and channel 2 should be always below 300. It should be between 295 and 300. You can adjust with these 2 knobs in the FibroSmart. This is channel 1 adjustment. Make it below 300, 298, and this also should make it. Now that is disappeared, and now it is press for enter to start. Now you just take the comb and keep it inside this. There is a magnetic portion. It should coincide with this, and you just keep it inside like this. Okay. Then with this brush you comb it. Then start. So the first reading has come. You can remove it. Same way you can use another comb. I'll show you how to take the sample here later. Now take one more test here with the same comb. Comb it properly. Make it straight. Then you enter. The scanning is going on. After completion of the scanning, the comb automatically will come back. The second reading has come there. Take another sample. Always you make sure this green LED is on, then only it will be in the home position. If it is not there, we can press this home, click this home. Okay, it will come to the home position. So now the 4 readings are over. Now test finished, click test finished. So all the 4 readings come on the display. See, if you want to delete any reading, you just click that particular LED, it will delete. Otherwise, if you want to keep it there, you just again you click it. Now all these 4 readings I am saving here. You click save. So now you go to the display. display, current display you can see, or old display. Current display means the last reading. So the last reading, you 1, 2, 3, 4 reading here, average is 12.9 and 29.6, uniformity ratio 43, and short fiber content 20.6, minimum maximum standard deviation CV percent, average 5% length, floating fiber index, effective length and mean length. All these parameters you are getting. So if you want to print the data, you just click the print. After connecting the printer, you will get the printout of this. After that, you can close this. Now all these things, now you see new test. If you want to take the another test, you click new. Then you change the parameters. Whatever parameters you want to change, you can change. All the strength you have to enter, and the H2O means moisture percentage, that also you have to enter, and the trash percentage from the trash analyzer you enter it. This is not this is not related to this length. It is an independent data coming from the other instruments. But for your final result, you can enter all these results here, and after that you save this. Means in your new test, this saving data will come to your printer sheet or the display sheet. If you want to make any parameter settings, again you can change the parameters and save it. And one more display, I will show you one more display. The old reading, if you want to change, you give the duration. See, I am putting 23. Okay, now this 23.3 to till today 28, and the variety, whatever variety you have entered, here I am entering silk code calibration cotton, and that is the reading there. There is a gap here, so always you write it correctly, then only you will get this. See the past results 1, 2, 3. Any one of these readings, see 26th, 28th reading, 26th and 26th, 2 readings of this particular variety circuit. This is a calibration cotton. See, I want to see one particular reading, just click it and show. See, it is appearing. See, now in 9 reading only it is coming in the display. Click here, you will get the final average, all other CV percentage, everything here. It will come here. After that, the same thing, you can get the printout, you click the print, otherwise you close it. See, then exit. So that way you can get the old result. And one more thing, the calibration. Calibration, if you want to get the, if you feel there is any variation from the calibration cotton, and you just check it. See, there should be a password for entering this section. Here it is 111 and it's okay. Then you can get tough minimum, tough maximum. This while testing depends upon the sample size. You may get the minimum tough size, you can keep it 1100, and the maximum tough size 1800. And this is the count start and tough size. This is very important. These two things are very important for the length readings, because whenever there is a change here, that length will vary, depends upon the cotton. So you don't change it unless otherwise there is any change you feel in the calibration cotton with the help of calibration cotton. Other these two things, uniformity ratio upper limit and uniformity ratio lower limit. You can keep upper limit always 52 and the lower limit 40, because in Indian cotton always the uniformity ratio is from 40 to 52. See, if the uniformity ratio is above 52 and if it is below 40, this instrument automatically reject that reading, because that reading is not correct. That is why it always rejects. Suppose you are testing no oil waste, or if you are testing no oil waste, then your uniformity ratio will be less than 40. So that case, you change the uniformity ratio lower limit to 30 or 25 or something. Then only you will get the reading of the no oil waste. And if you are checking the sliver, then the upper limit of the uniformity ratio, that means here it is 52. Whenever you are checking the sliver, it may cross 60. If it should be above 60. So you can keep the uniformity ratio upper limit up to 80 or 85, something like that. Then only you will get the reading. These are and the last one is the speed of, it should be always in 1. Okay, and after you make any changes, you save and close it. That is the calibration procedure. So no need to change the calibration always. Whenever if you go to sliver or no oil waste, that time only you change the uniformity ratio. Otherwise keep it as it is. Okay. Now if you want to check any other, here what is alignment. Alignment is just to check the forward motion and reverse motion of the motor. Okay, if I get forward, it will go back, then you stop it, it will stop there, then make reverse, it will come back. That is only for checking the motor. That's all. Exit it. These are the operation. Then now one more important thing is this sampler. This sampler we kept 3 portions. This is the drum for, this is a stainless steel portion, and this is hard cloth here we have mounted, and this is mainly for taking the cotton sample. This is the stand there, and one more thing, this is the base. And these 3 portions we are sending you. Now you have to assemble this. See, there is a screw here, screw. Here you keep it here. Now you tight it. It should go like this only, not straight. Just to see the direction here, how it is tightening there. That way you have to tighten it. Now this portion is over. You fix this drum here inside, and 2 grub screws here. You tighten it. One here, the other one is here. Tighten this. Then one more screw from the back side inside here should go. Tight this one. Okay. Now this is ready for taking the sample. Now what you have to do, these are the 2 brass combs. How to take the sample? It should be like this. Then this one you just open it, remove the old sample, then you close it like this. See, opening. You have to open this up to this only. While closing, always you keep it closed. Okay. Now you insert in the comb carrier. Now this much cotton sample you have to take. You just keep it inside with your left hand. You press it through the holes outside. Already a closed comb is kept inside this comb carrier. Now press with your left hand. Cotton should come out like this. Now you rotate this lever anti-clockwise without any stop. You keep it here. And then close like this, you just lock it, keep it out. Now you see how much cotton is here. If it is uniform, then leave it. Otherwise you can take one more, I will show you. One rotation like this, without any stop, you do the another one. Okay, now 2 rotation, you lock it with your finger, take it out. Now make it straight like this, keep it inside. With this brush, straighten this. This is the way to take the sample. With this cotton, you can take 4 or 5 samples and take another, the same sample, one more. After that, you remove this old cotton, remove like this, then lock it, keep it inside the comb carrier, press it like this, rotate like this, one more rotation, then lock it with your thumb, take it out. With this comb, you make it straight or remove any trash or any other material here, make it perfect like this. Remove the old comb, keep it here like this, brush it. Now this is ready for test. So click home position, then this home green LED will lights. Now enter, it move. So this way you can take 6, 7 or 8 samples, then take the average, the display, go to display and take the printout. And if you want take another sample, you remove this sample and with this comb, cleaning comb, remove this cotton, make it clean. So don't leave any old cotton here. With this comb you can fillet cleaning, you can remove all the comb, all the cotton here and take the fresh sample and do the same, repeat the same. You can take the sample or 5 or 6 samples, then take the display and go for print. Now it is everything clear. Okay. Thank you very much.